a tool that helps you quickly delete multiple unnecessary objects in Revit. Select the Project Cleanup tool. For example, to delete the entire legend. Since legends belong to the view, click on View and check the Legend option. Click Delete to remove the selected object. Now, the objects in the Legends section have been deleted from the project. You can easily find the object you want to delete by using the search box in the appropriate tab for its object type. For example, to delete the sheet with the number KC00-03. Another example with parameters. To delete FW1 area and FW1, go to the Parameters section and search for the parameter name.